Hi guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. I'm still trying to get back into the swing of filming again and trying to remember what my intro was like you guys. It's been a minute, so it feels good to just be back. I know I said that in my coming back video, but it really does feel good to be in front of the camera. I'm just meant to be in front of the camera in some capacity. I love this so much. But as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be playing catch up, or I will be, and I'm going to be sharing with you what is inside my April IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So like I said, we're playing catch up today. But I love filming these videos, and so even though they're late, I still wanted to share with you what I received in my IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus while I've been gone for a month. It's really weird because my last IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus was a little bit late, but the way my upload schedule was, like I haven't not filmed in, did I say I've been gone for 3 months, or a month? I meant 2 months, but yeah, the way that this is, the scheduling of my videos were, I am 2 IPSYs behind, but my last one was in March, but it was uploaded April 1st. It's really confusing. But anyways, the IPSY videos are back, and I'm really excited to share with you what I received in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus while I was away from the internet. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, so I just wanted to remind you that I am really, really blessed to be able to be an IPSY creator. So they do send me this Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus to be able to share this content with you and promote the company. And you guys know I have been in love with IPSY for years. It is my longest subscription that I've been subscribed to. I love IPSY, and I never thought that one day I would be on the creator side of it, and they would know who I am, and I would be on their list to send these PR boxes to. So it's really, really exciting and a full circle moment, and something that I mention almost every time I upload one of these videos. But I always want to be transparent with you when a video is sponsored or when I have gifted products like this one in my videos. So if you're not familiar with IPSY, IPSY is a beauty subscription service. They have several tiers of this subscription service, and today I'm going to be sharing with you Glam Bag, which is their basic subscription that is $13 per month, and then their Glam Bag Plus subscription, which is $28 per month. And the Glam Bag Plus subscription is 5 full-size products, and then the Glam Bag subscription is deluxe size samples and occasional full-size items, 5 items as well. So a link will be down below if you'd like to subscribe to IPSY, as well as I also go an extra step and link the products individually in case it is a specific product that you're interested in trying, because even though I love IPSY, there's still some products that I receive in a subscription that I don't love, but then there's some that I'm super excited about. I know you might feel that way too when you watch this video, so you might want to purchase a specific product that I showed in this video. So that's why I do that, and those links really help me out as well. So I think that's everything. Again, links will be in the description, but let's get into the video of why you're here, and that is what's in my Glam Bag. This is the April 2022 Glam Bag design. I absolutely love this design. It's a really super, super pale pink color with daisies on it. In fact, I'm surprised I never had a daisy design before. I feel like that's pretty basic, so I'm surprised they haven't had that before in all the years they've been around. And then I love this little zipper that it has. It's super, super cute. So I love this Glam Bag, perfect for spring, and just gives me all the spring vibes. The first product that I pulled out my IPSY Glam Bag for April 2022 I'm not excited about, and this is by Lottie London, and this is the AM to PM Velvet Retractable Liner. You guys know how I feel about liner. It's just not a product that I use, but I actually really do love Lottie London. I have quite a few products from them that I really, really like, but eyeliner is just not one of them. Lottie London is a great brand, but you guys know eyeliner is just not my thing. This looks full size to me though, so So that's really exciting. This next product, I've never heard of this brand. This must be a brand new brand. Brand new brand. I don't know why I said that. This is by Shades by Shan, and this is the hydrating primer. Like, it's literally just called the hydrating primer, and so I'm guessing it's just a basic face primer for your makeup. I am going to open it because I'm curious about the consistency of this primer. I don't know, I've just never heard of anybody talk about this brand, and I've never heard of it. So here it is without the packaging, so you can see it better. Very sleek packaging. Okay, I'm going to put a little just on the back of my hand because I'm curious about, ooh, interesting consistency. I don't know why I feel the need to like smell it. Hold on, let me, ooh. Ooh, that's interesting. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't want to say oily. It's like thinner than I typically like for a primer. I don't know, it blends really great though, so like it's a little thinner than I like for a primer, but it feels nice. I'm not sure, I'll have to try this. But it's nourishing, hydrating, it's silicone-free, smooth makeup application. So I'll keep you posted on this if I like this product or not. More details to come on this product. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, that was weird. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is by Wander Beauty, and this is the Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I love Wander Beauty. I have a mascara from them that I've received in another beauty subscription service that I really, really like. I love Wander Beauty, and yeah, they have great products. Very excited. I'm not going to open this right now because I'm not like using it right this minute, and for the first time using a mascara, I like to just open it fresh from the tube and then apply it for the first time. So I'm going to wait till I use it for the first time to open it, but I'm excited. I love Wander Beauty. This is in the shade Tarmac. It's in a brown packaging. I don't know if that means anything, but I don't know. So I don't know if it's a black or a brown mascara. Actually, I'll just look it up right now and find out, because that way I can tell you gals. I could just put it on the screen, but the curiosity is getting the best of me, so I'm going to look it up. I'm definitely going to link that mascara down below because, like I said, Wander Beauty products are just so underrated, and I really, really do just love everything I've tried so far. Okay, I looked it up, and it looks like it's a black mascara, which is great. I would honestly, I don't wear brown mascara, but I would probably wear it if it was, because that's how much I love Wander Beauty and would want to try this. So this is exciting for me. The next product I'm also very excited about. This is by Glow Recipe. I've really been liking this brand lately, and this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I've heard really, really great things about these dewdrops. I want to look into like the best places to put these. I have not tried this product yet, but again, I've heard great things specifically on Instagram lately about this product. So more updates to come on this, but Glow Recipe has been having some really great products lately, and I'm excited to have received it in my IPSY bag to give it a try. Products that I have in my IPSY Glam Bag for April 2022. I never know how to say these like German or French brands, so I'll have it on the screen because I don't want to butcher it, but it looks like we have a lip gloss, and right on the packaging it says that it's in the shade Blaze. This is like a really fancy brand too. I hope it's not like a super dark shade. Oh, I love this shade. The applicator is really, really interesting. Wow. I'll try to see if I can insert a picture, and I'll be inserting my B-roll too, but I don't know, I've never seen a lip gloss applicator like this. I love the color. It would go great with what I'm wearing right now, honestly, but I'm going to see if it's sticky. Ooh, I love the color. It's so, so pretty, but it is more sticky than I like for a gloss, which I'm surprised with a brand this nice, but I'm going to try it on my lips because sometimes with a swatch you never really know, but I'm really hoping it's not as sticky as it feels on my hand, because such a first world problem, but there's nothing worse than a sticky gloss. So that is everything that I received in my April 2022 Glam Bag this month. This was a really great Glam Bag. Some old, I don't want to say old brands, but old favorites that I recognize from, well, new products, but old brand favorites and new brands as well. So I'm really excited to dive more into these products and get to using them in my everyday makeup routine. You may notice a slight change in camera setup or lighting because I thought my camera battery was charged all the way, and then halfway through filming it started flashing red at me, so I'm assuming that it wasn't plugged in tightly, so I had to pause and charge it for a bit, and now I'm back talking to you. So hopefully it works all the way through this time. But now we are going to go ahead and get into what is inside my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, which is the subscription tier that is $28 per month and has all full-size products, 5 full-size products. The products actually don't fit inside these drawstring bags because oftentimes there's like too many or too big, so they won't fit, but they do include this little drawstring bag. So this month, again, it goes with the daisy theme, but instead in blue. I really love the shade of blue. It's really pretty, super cute, and goes with the other makeup bag. First thing that I received in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for April 2022 is by the brand Aceology, and this is the Hydro Glow and Deep Hydration Watermelon Eye Mask. I've actually never heard of Aceology, so another brand that I want to look into, but just some eye masks, nothing really to say about them, but these are great for a little self-care or pamper. This product had me really super intrigued. This looks like a big old palette. I'm not sure how to say this brand. Probably saying this wrong, but I think it's Michael Beauty, and this is a blush palette. Like I said, again, another brand. So many new brands in this IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I feel like I say that every month, but this month especially just seems like it. So I can't pronounce any of these shade names either, so all the info will be on the screen and in the description box. But yeah, let's go ahead and look into this. Whoa, these are super bright. I actually might go ahead and like save this for a friend because a lot of these shades are way brighter than I would normally wear. Bottom 2 shades are my shades for blush though, but these top 2 are like way too bright and just not my kind of shades. But these bottom 2 are really, really nice, so I may try those and report back. I actually think I will go ahead and swatch these because who I would give this to wouldn't mind if I swatch it and my hands are clean and whatnot. Ooh, okay, I might keep this for myself. These are some of the most pigmented blushes that I have ever tried. I should have spaced these out more, but I love, love, love these shades. So pigmented. Honestly, this corner shade or blush would be so pretty as an eyeshadow. Like, it just swatches beautifully. I'm way more excited about this palette than I thought I would be, so I'm going to keep this for myself. This is really great. Another brand that I'm looking forward to trying more products from in the future. This product I was so excited about. You guys know how I am about makeup brushes. You can never have too many, and then honestly, like, sometimes if I feel like with makeup brushes, there's only so many times that you, specifically with foundation and concealer, there's only so many times that you can wash the brushes and they come clean. I feel like there's not really a magic number, at least for me, when how many times I can wash the brush before I just really need a new foundation brush. I don't know why I'm telling you all this because it's pretty irrelevant, but my point to this is we have a brush pack. Eventually I do throw out my foundation brushes and get new ones, but we have a brush pack here from Farrah Beauty. I'm probably saying that wrong, but this is a super familiar brand. I have so many of their products, so many of their brushes. IPSY and Farrah have been collaborating for IPSY for so long, and it looks like they came out with this limited edition pack to match for the glam bags, which is so cute. So it has little daisies on it. I need to wash these swatches off. I didn't bring scissors in here with me, so unfortunately I won't be able to open these, but it just comes with these really great brushes. It doesn't say like what it's supposed to be used for, and they're in these little nets. Can't really tell, but it looks like we have like a blush brush, a foundation brush, and some eyeshadow brushes. So very excited about these. I love they're like acrylic, like they're see-through. So pretty. They're gonna look so beautiful on my vanity, and I'm very excited about this limited edition brush set. The next product is by the brand Butter. I've received one of these in an IPSY Glam Bag Plus before, or a product by this brand, not this specific product, but this is the Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. It says it is triple action, clay mask, foam cleanser, and deep exfoliator. I will have to try this. This looks like a really great product, and of course, it's full size. The product I know is available at Sephora, so it's a pretty nice brand. I really should have washed these off, but I guess we're just gonna deal with the swatches through the rest of the video. Anyway, I know this brand is available at Sephora, so it must be a pretty nice brand. I haven't really dabbled too much into it though, because the one product that I did try, or that I did receive from this brand, I can't remember what it was. I just know it was a type of product that I wouldn't use, so I gave it away. We'll see about this one. The last product in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus is by the brand Dr. Brandt, another brand that I believe is available at Sephora. Lots of luxury brands in this month's Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. This is the Clean Biotic. I'm really excited about this. It's a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. It's supposed to dissolve stubborn impurities, help replenish skin moisture, and maintain skin's pH balance. So this just sounds like, I bet you it's going to be like a very thick, like, moisturizing product. Oh, this is like a good size product. So here's what it looks like. I'm excited. I haven't heard anybody really talk about this product in specific from Dr. Brandt. So if you've tried this product, let me know if you like it, if it's good, if I should stay away from it or something. I don't know. I haven't heard a lot of chatter about this product in specific. So that is everything in my IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of I almost said September, April 2022. Really great Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month. Lots of brands I'm excited about, lots of products I'm excited about, some old favorite brands and some new brands that I've never heard of. Just a really great mix this month of products, kinds of products. Just overall very impressed, very excited to try these products. Again, all the links will be down below. Thank you so much to IPSY for sending me these products to share this content with my audience. And I will see you gals in my next video. Bye!